how to set the display to light or dark mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your display to light or dark. So let's get into it. Now, this method is very simple and it works for every single Android device. You don't have to worry about that. You just simply swipe down and click on this gear icon at the corner, or you just simply go into your app drawer and just simply search for settings and just simply go into the settings app. And here, what you're going to do is you're just simply going to search for display. If you already see it, you can just simply click over here, scroll down, you will see display. But if you don't find it, you can just simply search for it right here. After you found it, just simply go in it, and usually you will have the option to either switch to light mode. I'm going to switch now. There you go. Or dark mode. It depends on you. It's very simple and it's very easy. Just simply go into the settings and just simply search for display, or you can even search for dark mode as well if you were looking for that, and you will find the option right here. Just simply click on it and just simply turn it on. It's that simple. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.